2012 Ferrari 458 start up. This is Mobile One Detailing, Metro Area's premier mobile detailer. Now, got this key here, that's the safety switch. Then you go up here to the rocker switch, flip it up after this has been engaged. We got power, foot on brake. This is the first 458 in the States, and you know you're doing some detailing when you get to do something like this. But anyways, stay tuned for some more videos soon to come. We're going to start documenting our exotic cars for customers. Thank you very much.